Stop your Android phone sharing your mobile number with websites and third-party apps. So first of all, quickly, I will not waste your time. First of all, you have to go to your phone settings. This method will work with all the Android phones that are using Google Android. So after scrolling down in the settings, you have to go to the Google, and in the Google you have to go for the all services. With the all services, you have to scroll and you will see under the autofill and passwords, you will see mobile phone sharing. If you click on that, you will see that this is, if you read out here, that this will allow with the apps and all third-party apps. So just simply click on that, turn it off, go back, and then go to your Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome, go to three dots, go to settings. You will see here addresses and more. If you click on that, you can see save and fill addresses. So simply turn off this one. So like this, it will stop you sharing your addresses and mobile number to the third-party apps and websites. So that's all for now.